To you, Jenny and Aldwin, congrats and best wishes. May our Lord Jesus Christ be the center of your relationship. God bless you both.
Hi, hello everyone. Merry Christmas from the Philippines to Abu Dhabi. Merry Christmas and congratulations for the nice couple. Hello, Jen. Just enjoy and have a nice family life. I wish to see you soon. God's will. Thank you for our friendship.
Hello, Jen and Aldwin. Congratulations on your marriage. Best wishes for a happy and fulfilling future. God bless, nak. I love you.
Hi, Ten, Kuya. Balita ko may kasalang magaganap. May God bless you both long and happy married life. Congratulations on your wedding day. Umayo kayo at magpakarami. Cheers to the newlywed.
Hi, Mami Jen and Tito Aldwin. Wishing you heartfelt congratulations and the happiest of ever after. Love you. Ingat po lagi. God bless po.
Congratulations Ate Jen at Kuya Aldwin sa inyong wedding. Wala man kami dyan para ma-witness sa inyong wedding. Happy kami para sa inyo. At suportado namin kayo. Let's just celebrate pag nakauwi na tayo. Wishing you the happily ever after you both deserve. May God bless you with long and happy married life. Congratulations ulit.
Happy wedding day, Mommy and Daddy. Your love to each other proves that true love stands the test of time. As Antoine the Saint said, love does not consist of gazing each other, but in looking outward together in the same direction. May your bond even grow together in the next few years. I am happy for you, Mommy and Daddy. I love you.
Maligayang pag-iisang digdig sa inyo, Aldwin at Jenilyn. Dalangin namin ng masaya at pinagpalang pagsasama ninyong dalawa. At sana'y mapanatili ninyong si Kristo ang sandigan ng inyong pagmamahalan. At this point, nais naming ibahagi sa inyo ang isang article na pinamagatang Rules for Happy Marriage. Naway magsilbing karagdagang gabay ito sa inyong pagsasama.
Never both be angry at the same time. Never yell at each other unless the house is on fire. If one has to win an argument, let it be your mate. If you have to criticize, do it lovingly. Never bring up mistake in the past. Neglect the whole world rather than each other. Never go to sleep with an argument unsettled. At least once a day, say one kind or compliment word. When you have done something wrong, be ready to admit it. It takes two to make a quarrel, and the one in the wrong is usually the one who does the most talking.
At sa huli, kung sakaling ang panahon na parang ang inyong pag-ibig ay dumadaan sa pagsubok, alalahanin lamang ninyo ang mga unang araw na minahal ninyo ang isa't isa. God bless you, mga inaanak.